Hey bros, it's Mike Wazowski back with another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to make tater tots on a stick. It only has 2 simple steps. But first, let's get the ingredients ready. First you'll need tater tots. I think I got too much, but that's fine. Next you'll need a type of stick. Preferably not one you find outside. I got these chopsticks. So now let's get started. Step 1. First you have to get some tater tots. And then with said tater tots you have to put them onto the chopstick. And then, now that you've done that, you repeat it until the the chopstick is full of tater tots. Now you finish step 1. Your chopstick is covered in tater tots. Now for step 2. Like and subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get notifications every time I, Mike Wazowski, upload a video. Goodbye.